This is Lisa Cron. She loves story. She also loves research about story. In fact, she loves it so much she spent years researching how the brain and the heart react to narrative in all forms. Here's a little snippet of what she found. In her research, Cron observed most animals quickly understand fire burns them, so they learn to avoid it. But humans were a little different. We quickly understood that we needed fire. We also quickly understood that there was a real risk. So instead of avoiding fire, we used story to teach each other about it, how to manage it, and use it. And with the help of story, we evolved. But we didn't stop there. Cron found that we are the only species to practice emotional survival. We can hear about someone burning alive, and our brains practice what that must have felt like for them. We can watch their families grieving, and our brains imagine and strive to understand what they're going through, what pain they're experiencing. The amazing thing is, though, these stories don't have to be real. We practice emotional survival in response to all well-crafted narrative, on the page, over the speaker, or on the screen. Our brains, when hearing these stories, become stimulated. They launch into emotional survival. They practice and practice and practice. We don't burn, our families don't burn, but we practice what it must be like from every angle. The horror, the drama, the surrealism, the list goes on. Because stories are algorithms of emotion, change one moment at the beginning, and it can change how the audience perceives the entire narrative and how they connect. Our job is to use story to provide an escape, or a thrill, or to simply be somewhere else for a while. And to be in the business of stories, to understand what connects with people, what drives them, what leaves them thinking of lands and lives that are not their own. Well, that's pretty extraordinary.